So I think I'm done with that for now. That's awesome. Wow, that was brutal. That was torturous. All right, let me see. We got some people in the chat here. Says, well, there's a lot of conversation here. Bruce, I'm within the DMV, so I'm recruiting. I spoke this week, wanted 7 years of experience. Before I leave, Bruce, thanks for everything you have done for cyber community. You have taken my career to the next level with your training, and I have done their risk management. Oh man, thanks for saying that. I appreciate that. I'm currently going through the security controls one, and it's awesome. I highly recommend it to everybody. Yeah, you need to get it before it goes up in price, which is gonna be soon. Um, Experience of yeah, but going back to this one. Okay, Bruce, I'm I'm within the DMV. Oh, the DMV. That's the isn't that Maryland area? Is that the Maryland DC area, or is that what DMV means? Some recruiters I spoke to wanted seven. I mean, if they want 7 years experience, man, and you have three, go for a job that has 3 years of experience. You don't want a job that's asking for. Look, if I'm in cloud and I have 1 year experience, I don't want a job that is asking me for 7 years of experience because I'm gonna get in there and they're gonna be like, hey, we want you to reconfigure this entire infrastructure. I don't know how to do that. You know what I mean? Like I don't know how to. We want you to rewire all of this stuff across 3 different platforms. You know, I don't know how to do that. I don't want them to ask me to do some stuff I don't know how to do. So if they want that many years of experience, or if they want something that's out of pocket, something that's outside of your expertise, don't do it. Don't put yourself in that position. Even if they gave you the job, it's gonna be a nightmare because you don't. It's not your wheelhouse. It's not you're not comfortable doing it. You want something that you can grow into. You know what I mean? Don't try to. I mean, it's okay, I think, to reach to punch above your weight, meaning reach for something a little bit harder, something like that, but a little bit harder, something a little bit more challenging, because you're trying to get stability. I mean, that at least that's my mentality. I'm trying to get stability for me and my family. If I'm trying to go for some director job that I've never done directing, I've never been a director of an organization before. I don't want to do that. I don't want to put myself through that kind of stress. I've never done it before. It's going to be me doing some stuff that's completely outside of and I mean, maybe if I was a younger dude and I was like really wanting to be a director and stuff, and I really wanted to be a manager of information security for the DMV area or something like that, and it's my dream or something, then yeah, but I'm trying to just get paid. That's it. I'm trying to get paid. I'm trying to level up my expertise. I'm trying to feed my kids and pay for my mortgage. You know what I mean? Maybe invest some money into my businesses. That's all. I'm a simple man.